Edward.
Sir.
Townsend. Come on, you miss all the fun.
All artillery! Fire!
I've been looking at your papers.
Don't worry about me, sir. I'm ready to do my bit for king and country.
Listen, son, you find forward and reverse when you're told you'll do all right for me. Grab those, would you? Come and meet Big Bess. Woman of your dreams. And our new driver, boys.
Whoa, no, don't swear. She does not like it when you swear. Finch, you've done this before.
Done what before?
Mind your business with manners. Listen, don't worry. She'll look after you, yeah?
All right, boys. This is the big one. Our orders are to punch through the German line, destroying artillery positions as we go. Finch.
Yes, sir.
After that, we'll advance on the French town of Cambrai, where I have been assured there is wine, women, and song. So you should enjoy that.
Ha, McManus won't. Jesus. Are we in safe hands or what, boys?
All right, McManus. Remember, boys, do your jobs, take care of each other. Big Bess will take care of you.
May the Lord have mercy on our souls.
We'll get through this together, right, Edwards?
Right, sir.
Full ahead, driver!
The damn bird is shedding.
Molting, McManus! Bird's molt!
I'll pluck every feather off that damn...
Easy there. That pigeon could save your life. It's our only line of communication.
You good up there, Edwards?
Yes! Starting to get the hang of it.
What'd you do back home?
Drove. A car. I was a chauffeur.
All stop! This is far enough. Infantry will go on the first whistle. Then we follow.
Heavens above. You ever seen anything like this?
I have, I'm sorry to say.
Listen, we're going to cut down the guns up by that windmill. Give our boys some room. That's our cue. Full ahead!
Fire incoming!
Artillery's tearing the boys apart!
Don't let those deaths be for nothing. Move!
They got one of ours!
Eyes front, drive! Move and get a clear shot of those field guns!
Appreciate not being a target, no boy!
Those field guns are shredding our outfit! Look where that shot came from, then let them have it!
Let the kingdom come!
Keep your eyes peeled for more of those guns, lads! Hold position here! Clean out all the German guns!
of a fight! Boys are moving up!
Continue suppressing fire. Keep them on their heels.
Briggs is on the retreat!
That's it. Hold them. Keep them suppressed.
We are right in bed!
Good job, lads. Now we take the next trench line. Field gun clear. One less MG. One more down. Field gun is down.
What are you making that, Terrain? We got it!
Hold here and clear the area. Ensure our boys have time to move up. Target down. Field gun is clear. Watch out! Reload!
Engine's fine! We can keep them moving! Nice work! We showed them, lad! Got it!
Get us mobile, driver.
Look, get country, lads!
Good job. But remember, the day's still young. Heading for the ruins. Clearing a path for the infantry.
Lead that field gun right up!
Get us out of the mud. Tear that MG to pieces. That's a hit. Hold this position. Mop up the remaining Jerrys. That's one less machine gun. Stay focused, boys.
Should I give the bird some rum? He's having a riot to do.
Don't mess with the pigeon, Pritchard. It's our only link back to headquarters.
Edwards, how about you? You need a drink to steady your hands?
No, there's no drink. Save the fun and games for when we arrive at Cambrai, boys.
Engine's okay back here, sir! Jerry's not mucking about!
Got it!
That's a hit! German cat closing on us!
on, get a move on.
We got them!
You're messing with the wrong crew! We've managed to move on! Great work, lads! Time to move on!
Heavy's raining fire!
Heads down! Throw dead! Can't move, Finch! I need you out there to take a look. Watch your rounds, Finch! Edwards, get on and lend him a hand!
You good? You sure?
Keep it together, lads! Just get us moving! Right, get back in here and try! Edward, get us back and get back in here! Get a move on, driver! Took on a damn Jonah, and the Vinci's gone! Tavares, pull yourself together! Get us to that village, driver! Their artillery's holed up there! Quickly, shut down that gun!
We got it!
You got it! Blast that gun! Field gun! Go! Go! Wipe out that field gun crew!
Good shot!
Field gun, flatten it! Move fast! That's two! Keep at them, boys!
Attack grenade! Move!
Oh, they're toast!
We're getting hammered here!
Keep on that light tank! She's ready to move. Thank you, Bess. Gun's done. Punch it, Edwards.
Let go! Gun for! Let's move!
Give 'em hell, lads! We're taking this position! Hold on! Incoming!
We need to keep the advance going!
Artillery ahead! Now we cut them all down!
I can't hear a thing!
It's gone! Move on!
Hit!
Clear! Down, Jimmy!
Yes, that will shut them up! There's a field gun! Jimmy's down!
Field gun! Watch out! Hit that gun and move! Clear the bridge of any German defences! Gun down! Go!
Another high achiever!
More damn mud! Throttle on! Push through! Get us moving!
Shit!
Can't get any traction! Push him back,
Get
lads!
your Betsy, you
Get
freak
your barrel
scum!
here!
No traction, sir. I can't move her. Come on! Come on, then!
Richard! Richard!
Hey, you out of your mind? You're gonna get
Edwards! Release the pigeon! That is an order, son! Do you understand me?
Sir!
Messenger pigeon! Incoming for him! Message coming in!
Orders! Sir, new fire mission. It's Townsend, sir. Sir. 3, 6, 4, turn!
Here it comes, boys. Nice serving with your lads.
Marching ducks! Artillery!
You have the look of the devil, Townsend. Is that right? All we got out here is blind orders and chance. Which will do for us first, you reckon?
I'm sick of your lip, McManus.
Aye, aye, sir.
Edward, start her up. Lines backing up.
Big miss. Give us a break. Give us a break. Come on. Come on, miss. Come on, stop. Stop, big miss. Stop. It stopped. Are you just gonna stand there?